Hi friends, this is at the rate ioldmonk. Today I am the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. So let me show you. This comes with the curvy panel, as you can see a little bit edge here, and this side also edge. This was first earlier shown by Samsung on Galaxy 4 Edge, Note 4 Edge. So this comes with the smartphone. Let me go through the specs. It also got GSMA 2015 award for the best stylish phone. Let me go through the specs first. It comes with the 5.1-inch display with Super AMOLED QHD display, so it gets the best display in the quality. As you know, Samsung don't compromise with the display. In the back, it comes with the 2600 milliampere of battery. It has 16 megapixel at the rear end with LED flash. In the front, it comes with the 5 megapixel for the selfies. It has Gorilla Glass in both the sides for protection. Gorilla Glass 4, the latest one. It comes with the octa-core processor with 3 gigs of RAM. Let me go through and show you the software. It comes with the TouchWiz UI, as Samsung is very popular with it. You can see that it comes with the Android Lollipop, the latest version, and the smartphone will be coming with the 3 variants. Let me go through that. It will be coming with the 3 variants. The one is the Samsung Galaxy S6, is priced for 58,900, which is 32 GB. The 64 GB model comes for 64,900, and the 128 GB will be coming for 70,900. So this was the price point of the smartphone. The smartphone will go on sale from 10th of April, but you can do the pre-booking today only. As per the hardware in the side panels, it comes with the power button in the right side. On the left side, you will get the volume rocker key. In the top, you will get the IR blaster, and in the bottom, you will get the 3.5mm jack and micro USB port with speakers. So the smartphone looks pretty much similar to the iPhone, but it has a curvy display. It comes with a better grip, I will say, with compared to S6. But as you know, Samsung always has something better and good to give you in the market. So if you want to do the pre-booking, you can do it today only. The pre-booking starts from today. So this is at the rate ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.